Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play online in Mortal Kombat 1. First, make sure your gaming system has a strong internet connection. For console players, an active PlayStation Plus, Xbox Game Pass Core, or Nintendo Switch Online membership is essential. Once the game is running, navigate to the main menu and select the Online option. This is your primary hub for accessing all the exciting multiplayer modes and challenging other players. After entering the online section, you will discover several engaging modes. For competitive play, dive into Ranked Combat League to climb global leaderboards and prove your mastery. If you prefer a more casual experience, casual versus matches are perfect for practicing new characters or strategies without rank pressure. You can also join King of the Hill lobbies, where up to 8 players can spectate and challenge the current champion, offering a dynamic social experience. Once you select your desired mode, the game's matchmaking system will work to find you a suitable opponent. It aims to pair you with players of a similar skill level, ensuring fair and exciting battles. Connection quality is also a key factor, minimizing lag for a smoother experience. You can also invite friends to private versus or King of the Hill matches. Plus, with crossplay, you can challenge players across different gaming platforms. To truly excel in online play, a few tips can make a big difference. Always use a stable, wired internet connection to reduce lag and ensure the smoothest possible gameplay. Dedicate time to practicing your character's combos and special moves in training mode. Pay close attention to your opponent's tendencies and adapt your strategy during matches. Finally, review your gameplay to understand your strengths and weaknesses, helping you continuously improve your fighting skills.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.